Hiya. You alright, Lewis? I've just been to the shops and I just got home as the heavens opened, big spot, so quickly dived in, got me washing out. Got me washing in off the line. Lucy was on the barbecue, she came in and had her food. Anyway, she came in, had something to eat and asked to go out the front. I said the same weather out the front, Luce, but it'll cool her down. Okay, Luce? And there's the water, put fresh water for the dogs and all the cats. Right, I'm going to go to the marina anyway, because I did my shopping first. But I'll take a brolly. Not putting a jacket on, too warm, so this will cool us down. So I'm glad you saw Lucy before I go to the marina. Right, got my bag, got my brolly. Right, you stay there, Luce. Don't you be following me. Can I just get through, Luce? She won't move for no one. Can I open the gate? Oops, good girl. She's gone next door. Right, I'm in St John's Road and it's spitting. I've got my brolly up, as you can see. But that rain is refreshing, so the brolly is more for my phone than for me. I think it's refreshing having the rain on me. It's hard to have my phone when there's a bit of a breeze and it's blowing my brolly, but you know what, it's not that bad, so I might put my brolly down. Right, I'm at Crosby Marina in Waterloo and I'm just going to walk all around. The rain's coming down again now. Although there's a nice breeze out, it's quite a warm breeze. It's quite humid. So you never know, I might capture a thunderstorm. It's a sign. Not seen that before. South Road shops 10 minutes. Waterloo Seafront Gardens that way as well. Public toilets and adventure thingy. Can't read what that says, but it's the adventure playground. And beach 15 minutes away. Where am I looking? There. Yeah, I've not noticed that sign before. Looks like it's been there a while though. Walk this way. Welcome to Crosby Seafront. Okay. It's the Waterloo place. Waterloo Sunset Cafe. When we were kids, well, even adults, that used to be the toilets there. How ironic now, it's a cafe, but don't let that put you off. Right, I'm going to just walk this way. I'm not going to go over to my little jetty because I'm going that way. In hindsight, I shouldn't really have a brolly up, should I? Because if there is thunder, my mum would be mortified. In case I got struck. The wind's got up a little bit now, just as the rain has come heavier. Aren't these pretty? Oh, Bumble Bee. Could capture it. It's too quick for me. So clever, aren't they? Is it gone? I'm gone. I was fixing my brolly. It's still there, isn't it? Right. This wind is testing my patience with me, Brolly, I'm afraid. Right, let's get into this nature part before I change my mind. Because negotiating the Brolly with the phone, I'm just trying to protect my phone, you see. Like I said, I'm not bothered. I get wet, it's refreshing. Right. I'll get the sign because I usually get the sign last when I come out. Oh, it's gone. Oh well, let's go in anyway. Right. Crosby Coastal Park. So there's a bit of info if you want to just pause it, screenshot and read it maybe. It is interesting. Okay, so let's go. And you know what? The atmosphere here is lovely with it raining. So you've got all the greenery, all the trees, all the bushes. Which way should I go? Should I go that way or this way? I'll go this way and come back that way maybe. You can kind of see why Cliff doesn't like me to come on my own because it is secluded. But I've just a couple when I was pausing, when I was recording the sign then and I paused it briefly because there's a couple with their dog walking past, so but at the moment it's me on me Todd. So full, because when we come like in the autumn and the winter, it's very bare, isn't it, as you know. See, there's the lake there, the Bolton Lake. It's sad this part, it's just used as a dumping ground. It's not nice. In a way I wish it was sunny and not raining, but you can still hear the birds. And the rain on the Brolly. Remember these parachutes we used to call them when we were kids? We'd get the end and shoot them up into the air and see who can shoot it the furthest. It's just so peaceful, so beautiful, isn't it? Little magpie legging it there. Oh, listen to the birds. I'm glad I captured the Bumble Bee. Wow, that is beautiful. Give me a little bird song there. Yeah, I'm glad I captured the Bumble Bee. can hear voices behind me, so I'll budge out the way in a minute in case they need to get past. There used to be tiles here, like mosaic, that local school kids had created, and local scallies decided to wreck it. Can't have nothing nice. So that's the lake house. Brilliant film, Lake House, Sandra Bullock and Keanu Reeves. I say that every time, don't I? But I do, I love that film. Me and Cliff used to see a cormorant here. What's that? On the surface. It's not coming back up, is it? Oh, there it is. Nessy, I found Nessy. Loch Ness Monster. Well, it's baby anyway. Being silly now, aren't I? Is it going to come back up with something? It is. Okay, moving on. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. Hello. Oh, bless him. The fella's just gone past with you know, one of them prams you put your dogs in. Oh. Right. So the voices I heard was the fella talking to his dogs. He's still there. It's not heavy rain now, but before it was heavy, really huge spots. I just got near my gate with my shopping. I legged it in, dumped my shopping on the floor, legged it out, opened the door, let Lucy, I said, the door's open, Lucy. She was still on the barbecue, quite happy. I got my washing in, bunged the towels in the dryer. Dry. It was nearly dry actually, but it was dry in no time with the heat of the kitchen. So I hope you've enjoyed this little nature walk and talk. I've done a few videos here in the past. Look at that. What butterfly? Flutterby, as my dad would say. So I've seen a bumblebee, I've seen a butterfly. It's going to stop. I'm hoping it stops so I can just focus on it. Yep, thank you. Where's it gone? I don't know where it's gone, I've lost it. Never mind. Moving on. Buttercups. Remember, you used to put it under your chin, and if it reflects on your chin, you're like, butter. I don't think the kids do that nowadays. Nowadays, you think it was ancient, wouldn't you? way, isn't it? So I won't go, well, I'll go this way to show you, but I'm not going out that way. Oh gosh, nearly tripped then. Put this on you so you can walk better. Listen to the birds. Beautiful. And on that cue they stop. Right, so that's the way out that way. So I'm going to turn back. And go that path. The fella's put his dogs back in the pram now. He's just behind me anyway. Oh, listen, gorgeous. I can hear it but I can't see it. So I'm made up that I took you here today. So I'll go home now, put the kettle on. Have something to eat. Let's do some cheese crackers. And that's the way I went before. Thanks for watching. Oh no, the sign is there. I'll get over there for you to see. Couldn't see it properly because of the bushes. There you go. Crosby Lakeside Adventure Centre, Anthony Gormley's another place. All in Waterloo in my head. I always do that. Right, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe, keep smiling, be happy, and enjoy the heat wave that we're having. And have a lovely weekend. See ya.